It's morning in Colorado, and it's still beautiful. And I'm going to take a hike today up this mountain. At the top of it, there's a very interesting formation that we have been looking at. And I'm going to take my Mavic Mini drone up there and take a look at the top of the mountain and over the other side, see what's there. I'm not really sure exactly how high up I am from our cabin, but it's pretty good distance. The cabin itself is at about 7,000 feet, and I don't know. I'm estimating that I've probably climbed up another 800 feet. So I'm pretty close to 8,000 feet right now. And I brought along, I've got this DJI Mavic Mini drone that I brought along with me because my goal climbing up here is to photograph this huge rock up here from various angles and see what is over the top of this, I guess I could call it a mountain that I'm on. Compared to these mountains, it's kind of a hill, but I would say it's comparable to one of these that on the other side of Estes Park. That's where I am right now, on one of those. So that's the goal, is to find a good place to launch this thing. I'm not really sure what's going to be a great place to do that, but I'm thinking I probably have to climb a little farther up here, and the air is pretty thin here, so I'm stopping to catch my breath every 50 to 100 feet. So it's taken a while to get up here and find places with good footing because there's a lot of rock here. So I'm essentially doing rock climbing right now. So I'm going to go up and try to find another spot up here a little higher, and then I'll continue. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm dealing with here climbing. So this is where I've got to go. I'm trying to get up to that flat rock up there. And I call it a rock, it's a boulder. But if I can do that, I think that might be a good launching spot. And it's a little bit of a challenge getting up there, so hopefully I don't kill myself. Let's give it a shot and see what we got here. I'm assuming that these rocks have been here for a long time and they are much heavier than I am. So I weigh about 180 pounds. I'm assuming that they will support me. So hopefully my assumption is correct. Let's try to get up here. Definitely should have worn knee pads. Okay. Alrighty. Well, got up that. Let's see about getting up this. Okay. This is the goal. Trying to photograph that. Let's see if I can get through here. Probably should have brought a backpack with me. Okay. This is going to be a climb. Why did I think this was a good idea? Well, you know, I might be able to put the Mavic right up on top of this rock and then launch it up here. I'll give that a shot. Because that's the way down, folks. Right there. So I think I'm going to launch it from right here and up. So, but it is beautiful up here. Beautiful view. Let's get going. Alright, so I successfully launched the DJI Mavic Mini over this rock formation to see what was on the other side of it and to get some video from this side of it. And both flights were successful. I took one recording in 2.7K and the other in 1080p, and I have now packed up the drone and I'm gonna head back down the mountain. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this recording was done with a DJI Mavic Mini, which performed wonderfully. I was very pleased with it. And my GoPro 7. And tell you, that was a hike up there. It was a hike back down to Colorado at between 7,000 and 8,000 feet. You lose your breath real quick, and you have to stop a lot to catch it. But other than that, that was a great experience. I really enjoyed doing that. Getting to put the Mavic through its paces and test it. There was a little point in time there where excuse me, I was getting a wind warning, but I was able to regain control and everything was fine. So, but anyways, that'll be my last climb up that mountain this trip anyway. Maybe if I come back to this cabin again, we'll go back up there, but I just wanted to go up and see what was on the other side of it and get some good videos from overhead. So I accomplished that and I'm happy with it. So until next time, thanks for watching.